Alright, so this is Brandon's new lathe that he bought himself. And this is how he puts the wood on. And so he starts with a piece like this, and he uses an axe to kind of round it out.
Yeah, no,
And
chisel.
And this one he's been working on for a little while. Is it a chisel?
Yes.
Make sure that's tight. All right.
You ready?
Yep. So what is it that you're making right now?
Just a cylinder.
Just a cylinder? Cool. So what have you got there?
It's another cedar piece that I made
Yeah?
earlier.
What do you like about it?
This one's just a practice piece. Just seeing what I could do, and it turned out pretty good.
I love the color, and I love the way it smells. Right?
And then this can be turned down to like that.
To something like that?
Because this one still has hot spots and stuff.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Anything else you want to say?
No.
All right. Bye-bye.